Hey guys, check out the new bird. My other bird, Mr. Puff, died the other day, so I wanted to show y'all my new bird. Her name is Tina. It's a girl, so her name is Tina. I'm trying to get her to get used to us, but she just doesn't want to get used to us, I guess. She hasn't even sang. I don't know what's wrong with her. Look, watch. Every time I try and touch her, she flies away. Watch. Tina, it's okay. It's okay. See? She flies away. It's probably gonna take her some time getting used to us. But I do miss Mr. Puff, my other bird. Love you, Tina. And Mr. Puff. I miss him so much. Alright. Thank you.